is that we have noticed this year a very, let me be honest, frustrating and desperate attempt on the part of some teachers to prematurely open exams and engage in malpractice. 40 teachers from 2017 are facing disciplinary action, including principals. And we asked ourselves the question, how is it that when you know how stringent the management regime is now, why would you take the risks that you are taking? Because you know you could go to jail, or obviously you're going to lose your job in the process. And let's speak to each other candidly. It's because some of our teachers are not teaching, and therefore the exam time becomes a desperate time. So you want to go to whatever extent, even to the despicable extent of seeing a paper for only 30 minutes, because the difference between the first and second paper was probably 1 hour. So even if you open it, by the time you take a screenshot and send it, that's probably about 30 minutes or so. It's not going to help anybody. That desperation is partly as a result of performance. It's related to non-teaching. And of course, bad habits, some of which have not gone away. In some cases, we acted sternly. And I have no regret about it. We deregistered one school. And I want to say to Nancy, because you asked this question, I want to confirm to you, any private school in the country that will hire a teacher who is not registered, or one of those teachers who have been deregistered, will actually be deregistered without cause. We will do so promptly. We are acting firmly in defense of our children. There are certain things we will not accept. And then we have to be clear with each other. On this one, we will act without mercy. We cannot compromise on the future of our children. And we will pursue these cases. We also realized that because the process of dealing with these disciplinary cases from the point of view of criminal prosecution is not fast enough, you have, offending colleagues who believe they can get away with it. For example, the 700 cases of examination cheating in 2015 have not all been sorted out. And so, 3 weeks ago, we formed a multi-agency task team. I was with Professor Magoa and Mercy when we met the Director of Public Prosecution, the Director of CID, all the legal teams involved. And this morning, it's good that the President directed the Attorney General to ensure that all those cases have been handled, and we will submit the report of all those cases, 2015, 2016, and even the 40 cases of 2017.